Hi everybody. Thought of some sharing some information regarding health. Many patients ask me feel very tired often. So tiredness is a very common problem which is encountered by many patients. It can be due to many reasons, ranging from stress to so many serious health related issues. So we can broadly divide as psychological causes and physical causes. Psychological causes can be due to severe stress, depression, due to various reasons, lack of sleep. All this can give rise to severe tiredness. Then physical problems are also very important. Many diseases can produce this kind of tiredness. Usually it is seen in diabetes mellitus where the blood sugar goes high and the people develop severe tiredness. Similarly, low sugar also can produce severe tiredness. So both high sugar as well as low sugar, especially diabetic patients, when they are using medicines like insulin and oral medicines, sometimes they can develop low sugar. That can also give rise to severe tiredness. Then there are so many other important diseases, chronic diseases in the body like tuberculosis, thyroid disease, especially hypothyroidism, then liver disease, chronic liver disease, chronic kidney disease. All this can give rise to severe tiredness. Severe anemia due to iron deficiency can be one reason for tiredness. And there is another disease called adrenal insufficiency. There are a group of glands called adrenal glands in the body which produces cortisol hormone. So low cortisol states can be one reason for severe tiredness. Certain medications patients are using can be a reason for severe tiredness, which includes diuretic medication producing electrolyte imbalances. Some other group of medicines called beta blocker, antihistamines, various psychotropic medications produces severe tiredness. Obstructive sleep apnea, snoring during night with a disturbed sleep pattern, produces daytime severe tiredness and sleepiness. It's a very common problem. So these are the common conditions in the body which give rise to severe tiredness. If you are experiencing any kind of this tiredness, please don't hesitate to consult the physician, undergo a thorough checkup. It can be any of this problem, right from the stress of the mind to various physical problems. Okay, take care of yourself. Bye.